Today we are all here in this exercise, which is an extremely important one, since it will further define the future and the nature of the Somaliland police. It points towards a further transitioning an even more capable, efficient, accountable and modern police, fully committed to provide safety and security to its population.
Somaliland's strategic plan is long-term plan to contribute to a safer and more secure environment based on respect of law.
And this is important because effective police, justice and corrections are crucial in ensuring the rule of law, upholding human rights, as well as safeguarding and enhancing internal security.
Somaliland government has already used all its resources with all its effort for the security and stability of this country. It is now the responsibility of the international community of any shortcoming of the security of Somaliland.
I will only say at this early stage, I heard your call, you will have my support, and UNSOM police will be more present to make that possible and assist you.